Greetings one and all. How's everybody doing? I hope very well. Just out doing another hike. And the park was actually closed, but fortunately I knew another way. So we just parked on the side of the road and we're gonna go in. So should be good. It's kind of raining off and on, but I got rain gear, so in fact I got my whole pack. Which, let's go over and I'll go through the pack first this time, because I already shot it at home. And yeah, let's go from there. Okay, so I'm all packed for tomorrow. Well, I got everything out. Typically this is how I do it. I just lay everything out and I go, okay, do I have this? Do I have that? So first of all, we have cutting tools. So I have the Bushcraft Black and folding saw, the Riker folding saw. For combustion, I'm going to bring the carabiner again. It's got ferro rod lighter. I've got a second ferro rod, light my fire. And it also doubles the signal, because actually doubles signals in two ways, because one is orange, but also it's got reflective tape. I go in by a mailbox section at the Lowe's and I just bought this tape and stuck it on there. So that's actually reflective tape and it's orange. So because I have cordage, I could hang this up and they might see the orange in the day, or they'll see the reflective if it's dark. Backup fire kit, decided to make it a main, lighter, ferro rod, Fresnel lens, matches, cotton rounds, and stormproof matches. And then I've got these, because I get prescription medications, they always come with cotton at the top, so I just saved them. So I get free tinder. Didn't have to worry about buying tinder. So that's, so for cover, I've got that Mylar blanket again, poncho and ground sheet, plus I got the Hidden Woodsman signal panel. One is orange for signaling, but two, I can open it up, I can shave, put shavings into it so it doesn't touch the ground and get wet, or I can sit on it, cover for the ground, so I don't my pants won't soak up water. And then I've got the Cascade Mountain Tech inflatable snow pad. Yes, it's an inflatable pad, but one, it's going to offer comfort, but I can fill the bag with leaves or debris and hang it as a signaling device. I can have something comfortable to sleep on, and when I'm not laying on it, I can prop it up against the tree. I got this huge orange banner saying, hey, there's someone over there. Let's see. We got container, pot, Nalgene with water from home, coffee mug, just because I love to have it. A little bit of a comfort item. Also, I'm going to bring the Kelty Red Wing 50 with me. It's going to be in my backpack. And that is container, cotton. For the life of me, I cannot find my bandanas, but what I do have, and I think Oregon Mike sent me these, they're just like these big, like cotton, I wouldn't say shema, but they're just like a really big bandana. So I got plenty of cotton. I don't know what I do with my bandanas. I have like 8 of them, and I hope I didn't throw them away accidentally. But I got these 2 big cotton. So that covers my cotton. Let's see, cargo tape. I actually have never used cargo tape, so I didn't bother packing it. I replaced it with something that I actually do use. Compass. I kind of get bearings, so I'm not really worried about compass. Probably not a good idea, but I've never actually used a compass, nor do I know how to use it fully and effectively. Cotton steel needles on the back of the Bushcraft Black. Something else I've never used. Actually, I do have a little strip of tape here. So if that counts, we'll just call that good. Let's see, cloth steel needle candle. I've got the Uco lantern. not only does it provide my camp with a little bit of light, but also I can hang it up and use it as a light. So someone might see it in the dark. Got the Sunblessa headlamp again. Just it makes it easier to pack and make camp if it's dark. Plus, it's a signaling device. So plus I EDC a flashlight. Then we got Cordage, and this is I made a Cordage kit. It's just Cordage and 6 of these titanium tent stakes. So I don't have to worry about or make tent stakes. I just already have some. So I can string up the poncho, run a ridge line, do an A-frame, stake down the 4 corners. If I need to stake down like a half in the halfway point for the back, I can do that. Then I got a few comfort items. Got my Uko Spork, just because. I'm putting this under comfort item. This is the Sawyer Mini, and there's 2 bags in here. So actually, I guess those will be containers. One is a dirty bag, and the other one will actually store clean drinking water. So, and then I got the Sawyer Mini right here. Got the under C for care. I've got medical first aid kit. Not that I'm a trained medic, but then I just have a baggie of. There's a 3-in-1 coffee in here. There's some mochaccino that I had, and about 6 tea bags, 5 or 6 tea bags, and about 5 or 6 of these sugars. I just figured if it's getting dark, you're sitting there at camp, I can sit there and enjoy a nice cup of tea, and in the morning I can make a cup of hot coffee because it'll be a good morale boost. Plus, in the morning I'll get a little caffeine in me, a little sugar. Maybe it'll get my ass going. And then I just had a spare one, Trader Joe's. It wouldn't fit in the baggie, so. And then C for calories. I've got this freeze-dried spaghetti Mountain House meal. It only weighs 4 ounces. So I got something to eat at night. Plus, I did a video on this, but after I consumed the meal, I could rinse the spaghetti out of it and then pour boiling water in there and use it to store water. I don't know if I'd be able to carry it, but at least at camp I could have extra water. Or what I could do is I could boil water, put in here while the water is cooling down. I could be boiling more water, and then also sipping on more water. But I also have a filter, so redundancy. Then I'm going to bring camera batteries, and I'm going to shoot everything on the Nikon so I can take pictures. I'm going to use the tripod, but I also got the ultra pod. Those will be my camera. I'm not bringing the headlamp because it's just not, the quality is not really where I like it to be, so if I'm being honest. And it's kind of all, I have a tendency to turn my head a lot when I'm walking, so I get these side to side sweeping shots, and I just didn't think it looked good, which is why I deleted everything on the last video, the last hike, and I just got rid of all the footage because I wasn't happy with it. So there's the gear. I'll throw it in the backpack, and I'll come back and show you the packed up bag. There we go, all set. Got, it's not very heavy either. I actually have a scale, which I'll go tinker with. I think the battery died, and I just haven't gotten around to getting a new battery or putting one in, so I'm gonna go sit down and watch some YouTube. But if I find a spare battery, which I think I might have one somewhere, I'll turn the camera back on. We'll do a quick wait. But that's every C minus the cargo tape, unless the cargo tape on the back of the knife counts, which I don't think it would be enough. But that's literally everything Oh, except for compass. Alright, screw it. I actually have a Silva Ranger compass with no bubble. It's no bubble, right? Yep, so there we go. I just have to write down my state's declination. And so it's got a mirror for signaling plus magnifying glass, which I've never used to make fire, but maybe we'll do that sometime down the road. And I gotta look up my state's declination. And I have no pacing beads or anything, but I've actually never learned how to use them. I've seen videos, but it's kind of advanced. Or I don't really put much thought into it, to be honest. So it doesn't weigh much, so I'll just include that. Yes, I know there are other compasses, but I rarely use it anyway, but I'll just bring it. So now I'll literally will have everything. Minus the tape, but I'll see if I have like an old gift card or something I could wrap some tape around. And we'll have a little bit extra. I don't know if this will show, but I just wrapped some Gorilla tape around a scraper and I just dropped it into a zip top bag. So now I officially have 12 C's, comfort, calories. So